Hi there, you're welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Edusa Aigabai and you're welcome to my channel, Dusa Heights Digitals. And in this particular tutorial, I want to teach you how to create an intro and also an outro for your YouTube channel or your video for probably an advertisement jingle or something, how to create a video montage, okay, introducing your brand in a very classy and cool way. You don't need to have basic knowledge on Adobe Premiere Pro or even knowledge on After Effects, Adobe After Effects, or even knowledge on how to use other basic video editing app to create something. So there's a particular website that I actually discovered that we can use to create something really cool and really nice. And that particular website is called renderforest. But I'm going to show you a sample of what I want us to actually create. You can see this particular design here. This is a particular design that I want us to create. You can see this is looking really cool and really classy. And let's head straight to our Google Chrome and let's try as much as possible to be able to create something like that. So I'm going to type renderforest.com, renderforest.com, as you can see here on the address bar, renderforest.com. Then I'm just going to click on the go button. Now we're here in our render forest. What we're going to do is that we're just going to click on get started. Now the interesting thing is that render forest actually allows you or gives you an opportunity to create different kinds of videos, different kinds of videos that helps promote your brand, that helps project your brand, that gives your brand the kind of visibility and attention that it actually needs. So if you click on get started here, because I'm going to really be fast with this, get started, what we're going to see is that it gives us an option of what we want to create. So it's asking you, what do you want to create? So is it a logo? Is it a video, a website, or a mockup? So in this particular case, we want to create a video. So I'm just going to click on video. Then here it is saying online video and animation maker in your browser. We provide free tools to create professional intros, animations, slideshows, and music visualizations without any technical skills in minutes. So we're just going to look for the kind of video that we actually want. So this is one way we want to do. Now, if you look at under that video, you can see it's showing you that we have videos for YouTube, explainer animations and presentations, professional slideshow videos, mobile app videos, and a whole lot of beautiful stuff that you can actually create like that. But in this case, we want to look at videos for YouTube. Okay, create professional intros and outros for your YouTube channel will help you create professional logo animations, trailers, YouTube openings, and much more in minutes. So what we're going to do is that we're going to click on create now. Don't forget, create now. So click on create now. Now don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave a comment, and don't also forget to turn on the notification bell on your YouTube channel so you don't get to miss out on any tutorial. So please do show some love, show some beautiful love, like I said, and just like our video. So I'm just going to pick on the first one, clean line style logo, or I can just pick on the solid logo review, or I'll pick on the glitter dust logo review, or I'm going to click on either the quick logo animation or the blazing click cuba logo. But let's look at the neon power logo review. So I'm going to click on this one right now. So I click on it and I wait for it to render. Now you see it's a neon logo review. So let's see how it looks like in the preview. So just click on it and you're going to see what the preview actually looks like. You can see the preview is looking so very cool and classy. So that is how it looks like. So let's create something like this for your own brand in a minute. So we'll click on create now, and then we wait for it to. Okay, now this is what we have. It's actually easy and straightforward. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to click on the logo holder, click on the logo holder. Then we can choose to upload a video from our library, from our gallery, or we can actually click on the media library. Now, if we actually have pictures or logo that we've actually uploaded on this particular site. You don't have to go through upload again. Just click on media library, or you can actually click on image URL. So let's say you have a particular image that you've seen on Google that you want to use. All you need to do is copy the URL and put it into this particular space provided here. All right. And what renderforest is going to do for you is that it's going to crawl that URL and come up with a picture for you. So, but for me, I'm just going to click on media library. Now, when I click on media library, you're going to see it's going to really load out some things for me. Now, I have some images here already. So I'm going to click on this particular one, which is the name of the YouTube channel, Those Are Heights Digital. So I'm going to click on it and I'll click on insert. All right, now it's saying it's giving me options to do some little things that will make it look real cool. So the option is either I increase it or I reduce it. Okay, now I'm going to increase. As you can see, then make sure that the logo is actually on the right canvas, covering the right canvas space, and we have it this way, and you can see that it's actually centralized. I can rotate it the way I want, but in this case, I don't want to rotate it, or I can actually reduce, make sure it's actually centralized. But in this case, I want it to be covering the whole entire canvas. Then I'm going to click on confirm. You can see it's looking really cool. Now I've clicked on confirm. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to tap on the renderforest, and there I'll add the tagline of my business. It depends on where your tagline is. You deserve to be seen. That's my tagline. Then I'm going to save and close it. Okay, now while it is actually rendering that, I'm just going to wait and see what's going to appear. Now it says looking really cool. Then the next thing I'm going to click on is style. I'm going to click on style. Then I am actually going to choose my font. But the thing is, I may not be able to choose this font, except I've actually subscribed to one of their package on renderforest. Now, if you subscribe to their package, what it actually does for you is that it makes it easy for you to change the font and also remove the watermark. So I'm just going to click on music, which is the next thing. Now we have the music. Now you can see there are different types of music here. You can actually upload music from your music library, or you can actually click on the music library, which is, these are music that we have in the renderforest library. So you just have to choose a particular sound or jingle, or a particular sound rather, that works best with the video that you are actually creating. So I'm just going to click on digital check. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, oh, sorry about that. Let's see how it's going to, that's how it is. So I'm just going to, I've actually selected it. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm just going to, now you can actually add a voiceover if you want to, if you have a voiceover already. Then I'm going to click on preview. Then I'll click on the free preview. Now, if I want the video to be of high quality, all I need to do is buy the high quality one. Now, if I click on the buy the high quality one, you see it's going to ask me to make some payment. Okay, and it's saying $19.99 for a video without for a single export, no watermarks, and 1080 HD quality. But let's just actually use the free version. Let's use the free version at the moment. All right, that's actually going to be cool for me. Oh, it's actually taking us back again. So let's use the free version here. Let's use the free version. So free preview. Let's click on that. And what is actually going to happen here is that it's going to tell us that your video is in queue. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of the tutorial that we have to actually offer you. So we're just going to wait for the video to export. Now, when it's done exporting, it's going to ask us to play it, and there we can actually download it to our smartphone. Okay, let's just see what's going to happen right now. Okay, it's exporting. It's actually taking some time. It ought to have been really, really fast. Okay, now it's almost done. We are almost there, 84, 85, and then it's just gonna see rendering. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on watch. Just tap on the play sign, and this is a sample of what we have. You can see the way it looks like. It's looking really cool, really, really nice. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to click on the three dots here. All right, I'll click on it, and then I should be able to download it to my smartphone. All right, when I download it, I'm going to show you how you can actually remove the watermark. So in the next video, I'll teach you how to remove the watermark. Okay, so just make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our tutorial. I'll see you again. All right, my name is Edosa Agabaye, and thank you for watching.